It's Ellie and welcome to a new video. In today's class we are working on warming up the body, stretching the body and other great sequences for your flexibility to keep you healthy, confident and strong. Let's begin finding a comfortable sitting position on your chair. Keep your back nice and long. You can close your eyes just for a few moments, connecting yourself with your body and with your breathing. Feel you grounded through your feet and through your sitting bones. Your hands are soft. Take 3 deep breaths through your nose. And slowly open your eyes. Start moving your shoulders up and down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. A few times. Some circles. In both ways. And come back to the center. Open your fingers, spread your fingers and close. Open and close. Open and close. Stay with your breathing. Excellent. Shake your hands. Down and up. Now hug yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Pull over to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhaling, pull over to the left. Come back to the center, other 2 times. And now stay here. We are stretching our rib cage. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Come back to the center. Inhale, exhale, pull over to the left. Feel the stretch on the right side of your rib cage. Create some space. Working on your spine too. Come back to the center. Release your arms. Shake your hands. Hug yourself. Other way. Just one hug. And release your arms. Arms on the side. Inhale, rise up your arms. Exhale, twist on the left. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, twist on the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Stay here. You can place your left arm behind your chair. One breath here. And come back to the center. Inhale, rise up your arms. Exhale, twist on the right. Right arm behind your chair. Inhale, nice and tall. Exhale, twist. One deep breath here. Inhale, come back to the center. Now, right arm up. You want to reach up, reach, feel all the stretch on the right side, and come back down. Left arm, reach, and down. Again, with the right arm up, like you are in the kitchen and you need something from up, and you don't want to ask to someone, can you do it please? So you have to do it. So up, and down. Left arm. Lift up from your left hip, left arm, and come back down. Relax your shoulders. This time, both arms up, reach, and legs too. Flex your feet. Stay here, one deep breath. And release. Another time. Inhale, raise up your arms and your legs. One deep breath here. And release your arms. Shake your legs, shake your arms, shake your hands. And now we would like to march. So one arm up and left, right arm up and left leg up and down. Opposite, left arm up, right leg up and down. And go with your breathing. And come back to the center. Lift up your toes and your heels. Toes and heels. Toes, heels. Very good. Widen your legs. Sit a little bit forward on the edge. Keep your knees out. And start, pull the right shoulder on the right knee. And move your body. You're doing a circle. Right shoulder, left knee, left shoulder, right knee for a circle. Moving all the upper body. Change direction. You're moving shoulders, back, hips, spine. Come back to the center. Stay here. Maybe you can have your feet closer. Arms on the side for a sun salutation. Keep your spine nice and long. Inhale, lift up your arms. Exhale, arms on cactus. Inhale straight, exhale, forward, halfway, stay here. Engage your core. Breathe. Hands on your knees and slowly exhaling, forward fold. Inhale, hands on your knees for a halfway lift, flat back, exhale, hands down. Keep your right hand on the floor and lift your left arm up, looking at your left hand. Come down, change, arm up, exhaling, arm down. Another time, left arm up, look at your hand, and down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Hands on your knees, inhale, flat back, long spine, exhale, hands on the floor. And slowly come up, vertebra after vertebra, arms over your head, big, big, big stretch. Arms on the side. Close your legs. Take 3 deep, long breaths. Rubbing your palms, creating some heat, energy. And feel the energy inside your hands. And place your palms on your eyes. Feel the energy go through your eyes. All the muscles around your eyes. Open your eyes, hands on your chest, and Anjali Mudra. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.